Hey, this is Jennifer Plose with Mind's Eye Mathematics, growing images in students' minds. And so for today's game, it's basically just a subtraction game. And it's, I guess, sort of a bit like golf in the sense that you want to get the lowest total. So basically what it is, you need cuisenaire rods, you'll need a writing, something to write with, and something to keep score with, and then 2 dice that have 0 to 9 digits on it. So you're going to roll 2 dice. Now in this case, it's actually 0 and 6, so we don't have a 0. So what's the difference between these two numbers, between 0 and 6? Well, technically it would just be 6. So that person would have a score of 6. And at the same time that one person is rolling, another person is rolling. So actually I take that back. You'll need 2 sets of dice. So, so we would both, me and my partner, would roll at the same time. And so this time, okay, I've got, what's the difference between 1 and 1? Well, in this case, there's no difference. So my partner would have scored 6, and I would have scored 0. So in that case, I get a point because I had the lowest of the 2. Okay, so then we would go again. So we would roll at the same time. Okay, so in this case, there's a 7 and an 8, and the difference between a 7 and an 8 is 1. So I would have 1. And this person here would have an 8 and a 4, and so their difference, or the part that's missing, is another 4. So between 4 and 1, once again, I would get a point because I had the lowest. Okay, so that's the idea, is you constantly are aiming for the low score. So yeah, that's kind of all there is to the game. Basically, you need 2 sets of dice, some cuisenaire rods, and scorekeeping. Let me know how it goes. All right, if you have any ideas for how to change the game, make it more interesting, leave those in the comments below. Thanks.